First, we'll discuss our machine weft extensions. The machine weft comes in two separate lengths, 18 and 22 inches. The 18-inch length has 130 grams per pack. The 22-inch length contains 160 grams per pack. The machine weft is 30 inches wide. Now, some benefits of the machine weft. The machine weft can be cut to the width that's needed. It also can be deconstructed down to 3 separate machine weft layers just for the guest's density. Now, who is the ideal client for machine weft? Any guest who has medium to high density hair can absolutely wear machine weft for its added density. Any guest who has finer to medium hair, when deconstructed, can also wear machine weft. It's a win-win.